Varsha Vidya's YouTube channel. Hope all are doing good today. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I update the video, you'll be getting the notifications.
That you play. Come on, you want it. Come on and get it. Come on, I want it. 오늘 밤 미쳐봐, you and what, no one else. Come on, you.
So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing a huge collections of footwear which I have brought from the India's foremost favorite app, Meesho. So yeah guys, from Meesho I have brought few slippers like which are good for colleges, office and for daily wear also. So yeah, without wasting the further minutes, let's begin. Let's talk about this beautiful slipper from the brand called Stoffia, which is so nice guys. See how beautiful heels they have given in the triangular shape, and at the front they have given little transparent, but this is not transparent, your fingers are not visible, and they have given like mixture of colors like pink, orange shade and all in between. And the comfort of this slipper is so good, it's so stylish to carry also guys. This you can pair it with jeans as well as with kurtis also, which is so comfortable. I brought this in the size 5, but I could have brought in the 6 I guess, because it is little small for me, and I bought this for just rupees 324 rupees guys. For 324 rupees this beautiful slipper, no chance guys. I can't believe this because I love this slipper and the comfort of this, and it is awesome guys. Beautiful slipper from the brand called J5, which is so beautiful guys and very comfortable to wear also. The contrast color also they have given beautifully. The strap that comes in cream color, and the sole they have given in like brown and orange mixed color. And the sole is also so comfort to wear. You can see this, it is so comfortable, and the grip wise is also so good guys. This I brought in the size 5 only, but this is also a bit small for my feet, so I wanted to exchange. I don't think so exchange is there for this slipper. If not possible, I'll return this and I'll buy again. And I bought this for just rupees 161 rupees guys. Believe it or not, it's super affordable. Everyone can wear this for office, even for college also. It is really superb and must have footwear in your footwear collection guys. Super cool stylish slipper. I loved it like anything guys. This comes in black color. Other colors I don't know whether it is available. That comes with a lace which you can tie. I have tied and I have tried on in the videos. Please do check this. And I loved it. Like this sole is also so soft, and the grip of the slipper is also so comfort, and this slipper is a versatile which goes good with everything. I bought this in size 5 for just rupees 287 guys. Next, this beautiful footwear from the brand Uquane, which is made up of pearl detailing, and they have given a pearl detailing above the transparent strap, which is so beautiful. I loved it. After wearing this, it is really super comfortable to wear. You can style on this with jeans, even with kurtis, midis, everything. It is super cool guys. You can wear it for daily purpose also. This I brought in the size 5 and for rupees 248. Beautiful slipper guys. I brought the same thing from Myntra also previously. I have done a video also. If you have not checked that, please do check. I'll be pinning above. So I thought I'll give a try on the same one again, but I love the comfort and the quality of this slipper guys. So I thought I'll give a try on this also. This is superb guys. The sole that comes in black color, and above the strap that they have given like glittery one, and this eye design they have given with the detailing is been done by putting the beads kind of design, which is so nice, and the grip of the sole is ultimate guys. I loved it. This one also you can use for office as well as college, and for daily wear also it's ultimate guys. I loved it like anything. This slipper I found different. I thought I'll not wear this, but after wearing this I loved it like anything guys. And the sole is so soft, and it is so soft for your feet also. It is so soft guys, and it is a real treat for your feet. And this comes with like a pista color, which is so beautiful. I think other color is also available in this. Please do check it if you also wanted to buy this. And the sole comes in like this is not orange, exact orange color. It is a mixture of some color, and the grip of the sole is also so nice, so comfortable to wear. I tried it with jeans. You can wear it with any dresses like salwars or even for midis and all. I think it will be good. I loved it like anything. I wanted to buy in other colors also. Like I think black is also available. It is a super cool slipper, guys. I love this footwear like anything. I bought this for just 381 rupees, guys, in the size 5. Next footwear is this beautiful footwear which comes in black color. This is real treat for your eyes, guys. This you can pair it with saris, even for kurtis also. They have not given much detailing, only they have given the straps with a glitter design, which is so beautiful. This really elevate the style of this footwear. This is so comfortable to wear also. This heels is also not much big heels. This is also super comfortable. And I bought this for rupees 320 in the size 5, guys, but this is also a bit small for my feet. I need to exchange this also, but price wise, the comfort wise, this is ultimate. Next, this slipper is being my favorite, guys. This comes in light purple color. They have not given much detailing. At this strap, they have given that golden color pink type of detailing, which is so beautiful, and there is an elastic you can put, so there will be no fear that your feet will come out or there will be no comfort to walk and all. So this is super comfortable. The sole is also super nice, and the grip wise is also ultimate, guys. This also you can pair it with jeans, even for kurtis, for saris also this will be good. So this I bought for rupees 219 rupees in the size 5, but this is a correct size for me. This is a super deal, and if you also want, please go and grab it. This beautiful slipper which is in the orange and yellow color mixed, which is so beautiful, and I loved it like anything. This I brought for rupees 271 in the size 5 only, guys. This designs, I loved it. They have given little what to say for this, I don't know. This kind of design they have given. This is only the detailing which this slipper has, and it is super comfortable to walk also. I loved it, guys. So guys, hope you enjoyed this videos. Please don't forget to share it with your friends, and if you also like any of the slipper, please don't forget to comment below, so I'll feel happy to know that. And please go and check whether it is available in your size also, and please grab the collection when offer is there. In Meesho, always it is a offer time only, because it comes with affordable and budget friendly only. So please go and grab it. Stay tuned to my channel. Until next time, see you, tata. Bye bye.